The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus represents the top of the range of the Braun lineup of electric shavers and is one of the most popular range of electric shavers here at Shaver Shop. This is the 9567cc, which is the mid-range of the three lineup of Braun electric shavers. You have the 9517, the 9567, and the 9577. Hi everyone, my name is Rhys. I'm the National Operations and Training Manager here at Shaver Shop. Let's take a look inside. To start with, we have the canvas travel case. With lithium-ion battery inside, you get up to 3 weeks runtime, so you can take this away for you. No need for the charger if you're away for less than 3 weeks. Looking at the shaver itself, this is the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, the latest addition in the Braun Series 9 lineup. At the top, we'll see the main thing that makes this shaver so good, and that's the foil and cutter element. Here you have 5 different elements at the top. You have 2 opti-foils at the top and bottom, and these really contour and move around the whole face. In the middle, you have a lift and cut blade system, which is this part here, this gold section. This really helps shave that tough to shave area of the jaw neckline, and this is something that everyone struggles with. The Braun Series 9 is able to make it happen. Next, you have the alignment blade, and this really helps get all the hairs lined up and ready to be cut by the other blades as well. Behind this, we have this piece of metal here, this fine line, and what this does is actually stretch the skin. You're always going to get a better shave if the skin's stretched first. It lifts the hair up and allows the blade to get close to the skin surface. You put all 5 of these elements in, and then you spring load them. It really allows it to get very close to the skin surface. And with the rocking head, you're guaranteed a close, clean shave across the whole face with the Braun Series 9. Looking at the back of the unit, we have the Pro Trimmer. The Pro Trimmer really stands out as an excellent trimmer that's designed specifically to be used as its own unit. You pop it up by sliding the button on the back up, and you can use it for sideburns, round the ear, back of the neck, as well as trimming the whole face. The unit itself has an LCD display screen on the front, and this gives you lots of information, including when to charge it and the battery life, also when to clean it, and when to even replace the foil and cutter. The foil and cutter is removed simply by pressing 2 buttons on the side and lifting the top piece off. This is recommended to be replaced every 18 months depending on use. The head movement is great for allowing it to contour to the face and neck. However, if you don't want that head movement, you simply flick the switch on the front and it locks it in place. This is particularly good if you have a beard and you're wanting to shave to a line. You can do just the necks or the cheek. It gives you a lot more control. To charge the unit is via the bottom port here. It has a lithium-ion battery inside with a 1-hour charge time, giving you up to 3 weeks of runtime. And you can charge this directly with the plug included or with the included cleaning dock. The cleaning dock is another standout feature of this unit, as the difference between this and the entry-level 9517 in the Series 9 lineup. Electric shavers can be challenging to clean out. You can just rinse them out, use the brush to clean it, and that definitely will allow the foil to continue and perform well, but the cleaning dock will always do a better job. It's like a washing machine for your blades. Simply place the shaver in like this. It clicks at the back with little magnets, and then on the front here you have your power button. This allows you to turn off, on, and set the mode as well. On the back, you'll see this ejector button. You press this and the whole thing opens up, and then you could have put in the included liquid. Now this liquid comes included in the pack. You get one of these cartridges and they last approximately 3 months depending on use. We recommend that if you're shaving every day, you clean your shaver once to twice a week. Remove the cap from here and place the whole cleaning cartridge into the bottom of the unit. Then close the unit, press the power on button, and it will clean out the shaver for you. Once it's done cleaning, it will also dry the blade, meaning that when it's ready to go, it's ready to shave. The cord is used both to charge the unit and also to power the cleaning dock. When the shaver's inside the cleaning dock and it's plugged in, it will also charge the shaver through the connectors at the back. So this means when you're using the cleaning dock, it really is a full pit stop for your shaver, charging and cleaning. A small cleaning brush is also included, so you can use this to remove the hairs from the foil system. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus 9567cc is the mid-range of the Braun Series 9 lineup of electric shavers. It offers a premium shave, close, clean across the whole face, and is suited to all skin and hair types. A great option for those looking for a great shave. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our YouTube channel for other great videos and click the subscribe button below if you want to get notified when we post new videos. Thanks everyone.